Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, we're here for a really special unboxing with Kaylie. We haven't done this in a while actually.
I've missed it.
And I think today, in the watch that we're showing, it needs to be us.
It has to be us.
You.
It has to. No one else, right?
Showing this absolute beauty and something that personally I haven't seen, and I didn't even think we were gonna be able to touch it, have it. It's stunning. Let's open it up. It's one of your favorite, we can say this, models, of course, Rolex models, which is...
So this is the Rolex Daytona, the Le Mans, which is 126528LN, which, as we know, was released at Watches and Wonders this year.
This piece, guys, is absolutely stunning.
And I know we say that word a lot, but it is stunning.
It's beautiful, all yellow gold. Obviously, the precious metal is there. The weight on the watch is there. But the most special thing to me is the dial. I find it absolutely stunning with the white sub-dials. It has that vintage look. And we know that all these dials with the contrast of black and white, you know, or
they're very popular.
They're very popular, and they always make the watch more special.
Yeah, but this one in particular, as we know, they had the white gold version, which
I think you love.
I love that one.
Yeah.
And then they brought out a yellow gold version, but the most unique thing about these pieces, the Le Mans, is the case back.
The case back is the back of the watch, which even when every time I look at it, I just find it incredible. You don't see that much on Rolexes. No. You see that a lot on different brands.
Yes.
Not a lot on Rolexes, especially on yellow gold. I mean, it feels different, and definitely something that we're not used to. But I do think that is a special.
That's what makes it a special watch. Is
in the
everything.
whole, all of it.
And then you add the open case back, you add the bezel, you add the dial, you add the red 100. Just everything screams off catalogue piece. So obviously we know this is a very special watch, and I do think this is a piece that some people will love, some people might not like.
It's very personal, isn't it?
Very personal
opinion. I love it personally. So I think that is a great watch. I'd love to have it. I'd wear it.
We love yellow gold.
100%. But it's very personal at the end of the day.
But I do have another one to show our viewers that I love.
Many special pieces today.
So here is a piece that you haven't seen yet.
I haven't.
I've seen it. I love it for many different reasons, but I would like to get your first impression of it. So I'm going to open the box.
Let's have a look then.
And I want you to see what you think. Honest opinions always,
Let's
okay?
see what I think of this.
So this is you can say I say AP, you say...
Audemars Piguet. Wow, that's actually...
Right?
Stunning. Oh, that's not heavy at all.
Why is it not heavy?
I'm guessing it's titanium. I actually
It's the dial
love
for me. It's the dial.
We love an ombre dial. I mean, ombre dial, they're very popular, and I do love them. And with the red, it's so fashionable, like the burgundy, the red.
Yeah, it's the colour that's in at the minute.
It's so in at the moment. I find it stunning. And the fact that it's titanium, you wouldn't even guess it at first.
No.
So I think it's
and it's so light. So this is the Royal Oak Jumbo, extra thin, which you can tell. Look how thin it is.
I can see that.
Model number 16202XT.
It's also not a very big dial. I think. What's this?
I believe it's 37 mil.
37. There you go. So it's not one of the biggest one. Actually, this is beautiful.
Isn't it? No, isn't it?
Also, why is it so shiny? I love it.
No,
I love the bezel.
Look at the black around everything.
Why is the bezel more shiny than on other APs?
I think because it's titanium. I think because it looks shinier on the titanium. But I could be wrong. I don't know. But also, I like the black outline on the dial.
I love everything.
Right? And also how thin it is. Yeah, it's so cool. It's so cool. And also, some ombre dials work, some don't. This 100% works. And the titanium. Just imagine wearing this every day. Like, imagine being like abroad and you're wearing it. I'd like to see what it looks like in different lights, because ombre always looks different in different lights. Do you know what I mean?
It's just beautiful. And it's so like not out, like So
it's not out there.
Yeah. But you know that you've got something special at the same time, you know what I mean? But you're not showing off at all, because actually it can look a really like nice and everyday watch.
Honestly, it's insane.
Definitely love it. I agree
love
with you.
it.
I do love the Daytona as well that we just showed everybody.
Yes. If I was to pick,
it's just a different, you know, they're two different watches. You can't even compare them.
They're two completely. One's titanium, one's yellow gold. One's a Daytona, one's got a red ombre dial.
Completely
It's very
different. But I'll say something, definitely two of the most exciting unboxings we have done in a while.
I agree.
And we're so excited that we could show you guys, and we would like to know what you think of them, which one you prefer, and how much do you think they are. Whatever, any opinion that you've got on these watches, we'd like to hear them out.
Let us know in the comments below.